Welcome to a new Snowflake data app demo. Today I will be showing a new data app called Snowflake Data Editor. The idea here is many times you have to expose your data to business users who are not SQL savvy to perform their data updates. In such scenario, this app will help them to modify their data performing operations such as insert, update and delete. This will save a lot of time in the project in terms of planning and execution where no dependency will be there for such a small operation which have a huge impact. Let's jump to the demo. This is the UI where you can select your database, schema and table, and this is not working because the schema doesn't have a table, so you need to select the table to see the records. So you can see the record. And now if you want to insert a record, you need to just click the plus button and add. Now submit the button to insert the record. So you can see the record has been inserted. And if you want to edit the record, you need just click the column where you want to edit and press the submit button to update. So you can see it has changed the name. You can see, and at the last if you want to delete the record, you just click here and press the delete button present in the keyboard and submit. You can see the record has been deleted. Let's see the coding part. So first we are inputting all the important libraries here: Streamlit, time, pandas, get active session. Then we are assigning get active session to the variable session to activate the session. Then for the white layout configuration, we are using st.setPageConfig. Then I have created dynamic functions to get database name, schema name, table name. So to get the database name, I am running so database command, then collecting and storing it to the variable database. Then I am iterating the database and excluding the default database Snowflake and Snowflake sample data and storing all the database name in the database list. So then for getting schema name from selected database, we are running so schema in database and storing in a variable schema. And again we are iterating and making sure to ignore default schema, which is information schema. And the third is the table name. To get the table name, we are running show table in schema to get the table list. Now designing the main page. First thing is st.title. It adds the title to your page and we are highlighting it with a blue color. Then I'm creating three containers for selecting database name, schema name and table name by using st.column. So for the first container, we are using select box, which is calling the function get database. Then the schema option is created, which calls the get schema function by providing a database name selected by the user. And then the third place for the table is created, which is having three parameters called this is a caption for the select box or the name for the select box. This is the function which has two argument, database name, schema name, and this is the key. These are the unique identifiers for the select box. Then in the if part, this is the main part. When I get the list of schema, database and table, through that uh, I'm just deriving the table and assigning to the variable called original data set. Again, this variable is holding a data frame, so we need to convert into pandas data frame with the help of two pandas function. Then we are creating a form with the help of st.form and named it as data editor form, where your table will be displayed. Now we are creating a data editor by st.data editor through which you can edit the table or the record in the table and assign it to the variable. Then we are creating a submit button for the form using st.form submit button. So when the user presses the submit button, the changes in the table which is stored in the edited data frame variable is overwrite here using the function session.writePandas. So basically, what happened, whatever changes you are doing in the editable data frame, when click submit, it will run the logic in the backend and it will just replicate it whatever you changed into the backend table in overwrite mode. And then after updating successfully, it will print the table has been updated successfully. Then we are making our code sleep for 5 seconds and then we are doing experimental rerun and it will just refresh your page. Thank you for watching.